ChatGPT just died, and what is replacing it is going to haunt your digital life forever. We're not talking about a simple software update or a minor tweak. This is a seismic shift in how artificial intelligence will interact with you, and it's about to change everything you thought you knew about your digital assistant. The era of clean, unbiased AI is over, and what comes next is both fascinating and a little terrifying. Let's dive into what this means for you and the future of your online experience. Imagine pouring your heart out to an AI, only to realize it's secretly trying to sell you a product. The trust you once had in your digital assistant is now replaced by suspicion. Every question, every confession, every late-night chat could become an opportunity for targeted advertising. It's 2026, and the clean era of artificial intelligence is officially over. OpenAI just dropped a bombshell that changes every single thing about how you use ChatGPT. Your personal assistant is being transformed into a relentless, 24/7 advertisement machine. Think about it. You ask the AI about a headache. Instantly, a Tylenol ad appears on your sidebar. Mention you're tired of your job. Suddenly, LinkedIn Premium pop-ups flood your screen. This isn't just a small update. It's a total shift in the entire digital landscape. For years, we enjoyed the silence. No banners, no trackers, just pure, raw intelligence. But now, the bill is due. And the cost? It's your ultimate attention. Sam Altman and the team have been playing the long game since day one. First, they got the world hooked on the magic. Now, they're monetizing the habit. Advertisers are literally drooling over this new era. Why? Because AI knows you better than Google ever could. It understands your deepest dreams, your hidden fears, and exactly what you're planning to buy next. This is called hyper-contextual targeting. It's basically advertising on digital steroids. Imagine an AI that doesn't just give you answers, but suggests solutions you have to pay for. Is this the end of unbiased information? Or is it just the necessary price of progress in a world where data is king?